This program is so immersive and has incredible hands-on learning experiences. It starts in level 1 of the program and continues on for the entire 2 years. We have award-winning faculty within this program who are either registered pharmacy technicians or pharmacists, and they have years of differential experience between them. And through their experience, we have comprehensive curriculum that is going to include students working in state-of-the-art practice lab spaces through VR technology, the latest pharmacy software, and incredible lab equipment within our pharmacy practice labs. At a high level, our program offers students comprehensive and specialized simulation, theoretical and practical education they need to meet and even exceed entry to practice standards, which is set by the National Association of Pharmacy Regulatory Authorities. Our passionate, experienced educators are actively working in the field to prepare students to meet entry to practice standards in both our community and hospital-based courses. This includes retail, specialty, long-term care, institutional, and all with a focus on patient safety and pharmaceutical math. Fanshawe's Pharmacy Technician program has a reputation for excellence. Through the local partnerships that we have surrounding Fanshawe College, we're able to provide some incredible learning experiences for students. We also have an injection training and certification embedded within the program that allows students, once they get out and graduate, to take on more of a leadership role in the community and in our hospital practices. Through these incredible leadership opportunities, it is a great time to be a pharmacy technician, and faculty within this program have their finger on the pulse. We are ahead of the game when it comes to our scope of practice and what's coming down the pipeline for pharmacy technicians. Graduates of this accredited program are eligible to become regulated healthcare professionals in Ontario. This is due to our comprehensive program and our practical experiences. Careers are in high demand for pharmacy technicians. Where do you see yourself? Working in a hospital, a community, long-term care, or perhaps you want something more specialized in compounding or sterile processes. Or maybe you even want to become a drug access facilitator or go into pharmacy research. The possibilities are endless.